how to block or restrict someone from seeing your Instagram story. So it's very easy to do. So why don't we go to Instagram and swipe left, and we can post a story. I'm just going to take a picture here, and then we can go ahead and hit the arrow key to get some of your options here. One option is to go to your close friends and choose close friends, and these are the only people that will be able to see your story. That is one way to restrict someone. But what you can do is go to just your story and Facebook story, because there's not a lot of customability when you're choosing from this option. So go ahead and share your story like you normally would, and then immediately go back into that story, and then go ahead and hit more, and you'll go into your story settings. So from this point, what you can do is, as you see at the very top, it says hide story from, and you can go in and you can choose a number of people, and you can just choose these people, and these specific people will not be able to see your story. So once you have those people selected, you would hit done, and that way from this point, those people that were selected can